In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move conversation in Slack Workspace. If your sidebar ever feels cluttered, or you just want your most important chats right where you can see them, moving a conversation into a specific section keeps everything tidy and easy to find. This is a simple change to your personal view. It won't affect anyone else in the workspace, and it doesn't change message history. Start by opening the conversation you want to move. This can be a channel, a group message, or a direct message. Make sure you're on the desktop app or using Slack in your browser so you can see the full conversation header across the top. With the conversation open, look to the top right of the window for the three dots icon. This is your More Actions menu. It sits in the header alongside the search and notification controls. Click that three dots icon to open the menu. If your window is narrow, the icon might be tucked behind a compact menu, so try maximizing Slack if you don't see it immediately. From the menu that appears, select Move Conversation. In some versions, this may read Move to Section. It's the same action. If you don't see this option, it usually means custom sections aren't enabled for your account in this workspace. That's okay. Nothing's wrong with your messages. You'll just need sections available to file conversations into them. Once you choose Move Conversation, Slack will show you a list of your sidebar sections. These are the collapsible groups in your sidebar that help you organize work. Things like projects, teams, or priority, depending on how you've set them up. Pick the section that makes the most sense for this conversation. Think about where you'd expect to look for it later. For example, park time sensitive threads in a priority section and long-term channels in a projects section to keep context clear. Confirm your choice, and that's it. The conversation immediately appears under the section you selected in your sidebar. You'll see it move visually, and you can collapse or expand that section to keep your list clean. Remember, this move is just for you. It doesn't notify the channel or change permissions in any way. A quick recap: open the conversation, click the three dots at the top right, choose Move Conversation, then select the section you want. With a few clicks, you'll have a cleaner, more focused Slack sidebar, so you can spend less time hunting and more time getting work done. And that's all.